What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. I'm Rod Steven, and it's another beautiful day for a property tour. We're here in Marvin, North Carolina, which is southwest of Weddington and borders the South Carolina state line. And we're going to take a look at this beautiful collection of homes by Jones Homes USA at their brand new super exclusive Gates at Marvin community. They are offering an array of floor plans, but there's only 5 lots remaining. So if you're interested, be sure to click the link in the description box to get a hold of me right away. This home is called the Laurel. It's a 1-story luxury ranch with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car side-load garage bay. You'll have nearly 4,500 square feet of living space with a dedicated club room off the kitchen and a 42-foot covered lanai for entertaining that we'll see a bit later in the video. Pricing for the Gates is going to start at $1.9 million, but you're getting at a minimum for that price a 2.5-acre lot with its own gated entry. Real quick, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I really do appreciate your support. Without further ado, let's start the tour. Alright folks, step into this beautiful home. As soon as you walk in, we have this grand foyer with 12-foot ceilings and an elegant chandelier and fantastic tray and wood trim detail. And to our left, follow me as we head into our dedicated office that you guys have to see. Loving the very tall ceilings here, double door entry, recessed lighting, front facing window, and the builder has added floating shelves and some very modern design touches. Very executive. Now, immediately off the office, we have a hallway that leads us to a full bathroom. If you work from home, this is a game changer to have a bathroom nearby your office. Excellent. As we exit the hallway, we're led to the dining room right across from the office. Stylish engineered hardwoods and some enormous windows letting in a ton of natural light. You can comfortably sit 8 people here, but there's plenty of room for more. Awesome chandelier and sophisticated tray ceiling above. Fantastic details and character throughout this room. Now let's head into the main living area. Let's walk down this hallway here, where you're greeted by this beautiful wide open space that reveals our gourmet kitchen. Very sophisticated. 2 beautiful, huge granite countertops. No expense was spared by Jones Homes here. Top of the line appliances by KitchenAid. Gorgeous subway tile backsplash, 42-inch cabinets, 5-burner gas stove cooktop, microwave and oven combo. I mean, everything here is set up for luxury. Take a look. And then to the end of this kitchen area, we have our eat-in dining space. Follow me. Wow. Check out all the natural light we have in this space. And again, enough room for 8 to 10 guests. I mean, this house was built for entertaining. I'm really excited to show you guys this family room, folks. Take a look at this coffer detail above, very stylish. And then you have these huge 10-foot slider doors that take us outside, and we'll see that a little bit later in the video. And then we have our fireplace with mantle surround, so you can place your TV above. Now at the end of the family room, we have our primary. Follow me. All right, step into this fantastic primary bedroom. As we enter, we're greeted by those coffered ceilings again, tons of natural light. You have this huge sitting area for relaxing. I mean, everything in here is made for comfort. Now let's step into our stylish primary bathroom. So many details in this bathroom, folks. Custom cabinets, dual vanities, granite counters, the features go on and on. Beautiful freestanding tub that overlooks our glass shower with double entry. Let's take a look. And directly behind the shower, you have enormous his and her closets. Plenty of space for your accessories. More than enough space to fit all your clothes. And now as we exit the closets, we have access to our laundry room to the right. All right, let's head to the opposite wing to check out some more amazing spaces right this way. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, hit that like button. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Rod Stephen. I'm a luxury real estate broker, and I help people relocate to the Charlotte Metro from all across the country. I tour incredible homes and communities each month, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Now, if we head to our left, leaving the kitchen area, we are greeted by this fantastic entertainment room right off the kitchen. Loving the natural light from this bank of windows, awesome ceiling detail and recessed lights. You and the family can watch the Panthers or the Hornets play, or have a great game night in the rear. Tons of options. So right off the club room, we have your powder bath that services a swing. And right next to it is our first guest suite. Let's take a look. Nice sized guest suite here, 2 huge windows in your bathroom ensuite, and a walk-in closet as well. this bathroom does connect with bedroom 3 right next door. Follow me. Again, nice sized bedroom option here with its own closet. And lastly, if we head back over to the office wing and down the hall, we find bedroom number 4. Nice sized sun-filled room. Loving the details here. As always, folks, you know I like to save the best for last. Let's go take a look at this gorgeous Lanai space right this way. Beautiful features out here. We have our outdoor speakers and lighting. And when those sliders are opened all the way, you get that perfect transition from indoor to outdoor. Okay, let's check out this nice sized backyard. Great place to entertain. Now guys, if you want to put your own pool back here, you definitely can. With 2+ acres in the gate, so you'll honestly have enough space to have the backyard of your dreams. Alright folks, so that does it for the tour of this beautiful home here in Marvin, North Carolina by Jones Homes USA. Now, as I mentioned, if you're interested in this community, hit that link in the description box below to get a hold of me right away. Jones Homes has an awesome design center for clients to preview all their options and upgrades. If the Laurel isn't for you, you can build her big sister, the Laurel 2, which has a massive upstairs game room and bar area with a covered balcony. Excellent option for anyone looking for even more space to entertain. And if you all have a home to sell around the Charlotte Metro and want excellent marketing and representation, contact me for a free consultation. Alright guys, that's my time in Marvin. Please hit the like and subscribe button on your way out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next property tour. Peace.